Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I'm here to tell you the perfect t-shirt does exist. I'm wearing a women's v-neck t-shirt from DANVOUY, and it's in the wine red color, and the size is large. So I fell in love with this t-shirt when I saw the expression on it, because this is something I say many times a day, especially when my family members are asking me for something. It's always, nope, not today. So I love that, but I'm very happy with the quality and make of the t-shirt as well. It is extremely soft. I really like the v-neck as well. I think a v-neck is always flattering on a t-shirt. It's that little detail that makes a difference. The sleeves fit well. They're not too tight. You could roll them up if you wanted to. The length of the t-shirt is on the longer side, so you could tuck it in, roll it up, tie it in a knot if you wanted to. It is fitted, so I'm wearing a size large. I'm happy with the fit. I like it. It's not a bulky t-shirt, but if you wanted it to be looser or have more room, since this is a size large, I would recommend sizing up if that's the kind of fit you want. Otherwise, I'm very happy with it. Not only is the color rich and beautiful, the writing is crisp and bright. It's very soft and comfortable, but it is a good looking t-shirt, so you can dress it up or dress it down. And of course, nope, not today is my favorite everyday expression, so I just really love this t-shirt, and that is my point of view.